So he might come back now. But this is very nice, eh?
Nice and sad. Sad for the zebra.
Well, they need to eat.
Yes.
If the zebra does not die, then the lions will die. So it's a scale you need to weigh.
Yes,
Oh, there's the third one on top there.
And
this looks like a mother and a baby. So I don't know if it's the ones with the broken leg. That might be the one with the broken leg. They took that one down. Mother tried to protect it, but wasn't that successful in doing it. Marius, ek dink ek gaan gou Cam se spot daar gaan vat. En dan let's see where he moves it off to.
Nu ska jag ta andra sidan.
A bit more to the open there.
Ja, dan ligger ner.
Well, now they're going for the bum there as well on that side. Nice succulent meat.
Indrefilén og innmaten og alt det der. Nå skal vi ut med skinkesteika.
Yeah. Yes, they've cleaned out everything. There's the liver lying there with the kidneys and stuff. They can hear how those zebra are going crazy, huh? That's probably the herd where they took this off. Just took a toilet break. Luckily there. There went Lala, right over there. See how strong they are, eh? That's not a light piece of meat. Yeah, they're breaking the bones, everything there. These are extremely strong animals, eh? So he might come to mark and cover blood up here again. So we'll see now what he decides. And I think they're going to pull that closer as well. Because with the smaller zebra like that, the bones are softer.
Is it the liver?
Yes.
Yeah. He's not going to eat it?
Maybe a bit later on.
Okay.
But they'll focus now more on the nice succulent meat that's still left there.
Okay.
Yeah, luckily he's doing it there and not here. This is a beautiful sight. We're very lucky.